Hi, it's Tasha with WTI, and I want to share with you this grater that I use all the time while cooking. This handheld grater is easily the most comfortable grater that I've had. It has a really nice grip for your hand and it feels comfortable while using. If I'm going to do a hard vegetable like a carrot, there's no mushing, just easily slides up and down. Perfect even cuts. It does rinds on fruits like lemons, limes, oranges, and also does even little softer fruits like an apple. In just a second, I can completely grate a whole apple if I want to make muffins or cakes or any type of salad. This is just perfect, shreds exactly what I want. And then in the end, it's easy just to rinse off. I don't have to worry about getting out a big scrub brush or a sponge. It just really rinses right off. So I love this product. It's something I use every week. This product is so useful to me, and that's my point of view.